previously to the new equipment, we had a lot of tarmac. There wasn't anything very exciting for a certain year groups, years 3 and 4 in particular. So we just wanted more for the children to do that was more productive. I think the way Pentagon plans the equipment, it meant that zoning enables the children to find quiet spaces when they need time out, but it also offers challenge and risk-taking for other children who are a bit more confident with those things. So we have summer schools that run, we have after-school clubs, so it will enhance provision beyond the school in Birmingham and give the children opportunities outside the school timings. I think the people who work for Pentagon listen, they understand what's required, and the ideas they come back with enhance the original plans, so it's efficient and the quality of the products are really good. To be fair, I'm at most lunch times and the children are so much happier. There are so many choices for them as well. They're independent, they're happy for us. The most important time, lunchtimes is an important time for them to socialise, enjoy, switch off, and they're having a really good time. The children were so excited when the equipment was installed, and it's been quite a few weeks now and they're still excited about coming now.